Welcome to a midday Monday, everybody. The 26th day of October as we wrap up this month. Lots of cloud cover around out there today. Maybe a couple of light rain showers, maybe even a few sprinkles, maybe in a couple of wet snowflakes mixing in. But it's going to be very limited what we see today. There's not a lot of moisture to work with. Want to show you the tropical satellite as we look down over the Caribbean Sea down here. That's all Caribbean, or Caribbean Sea if you prefer. And this is the Gulf of Mexico. Here's the Gulf Coast of the United States and Florida. This mess that you see down here, this is enhanced the satellite imagery. So it's color coded to show us the colder cloud tops and all the convection or the thunderstorm activity. That is Tropical Storm Zeta. Here it is, 70-mile-per-hour winds. Again, it's in the extreme western Caribbean Sea right now. Once the winds get up to 74 or greater, they're going to classify this as a hurricane. What will happen is we put a track on this. It's going to cross the Yucatan Peninsula, probably strengthen into a Category 1, emerge in the central to western portion of the Gulf of Mexico, and then probably make landfall later on Wednesday evening, early Thursday morning, somewhere in extreme southeast portions of Louisiana, and then curve and go right into the southeast United States and the mid-Atlantic. As this thing is coming up here, it's not going to come all the way up into Michigan, but what's happening is as this brings a slug of moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico, there's another disturbance that's going to be coming in that may draw some of that moisture into Michigan as we get into the second portion of Thursday. One model says, yes, that's what will happen. Another forecast model says, no, it's all going to stay down to the south. So I'll put you on just kind of in the loop and on a standby mode to say, hey, we could see a couple of showers in here or some rain showers as we get into Thursday. So that's what we'll keep our eye on. We do have a couple of showers out there right now on live Doppler radar. Everything in green here that you see, just some liquid precipitation, a light rain shower. There are some specks of blue out there around and north of Chicago. There's a few wet flakes mixing in from time to time. Anything we see is not going to be big stuff. It's going to be pretty small stuff, maybe a passing shower, some drizzle, some mist, maybe a wet flake mixing in is all we're going to look at today. But what the real deal is going to be not much in the way of temperature movement at all. 37 in Big Rapids right now, 37 in White Cloud. Even as we head down to the south, we're in the 30s there. Grand Rapids, 39 degrees. We're touched about 40, 42 degrees along and south of the I-94 corridor. All of us may squeak out another 2 to 4 degrees, but that's probably about all we're going to get today. So it is going to be a chilly day out there. And that's how the forecast reads. Cloudy skies, cool temperatures, 44 for the high, maybe a passing rain shower with a wet flake mixing in, and a north to turning northwest wind at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So here's what it looks like on Future Track. At noon, you could see the model even painting a little bit of rain shower activity out there, but very light stuff. As we go into the dinner hour, there's not a lot going on except cloudy skies. And then I think as we go overnight, we may see a band of lake effect rain showers develop out over Lake Michigan. This is 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Then once the wind becomes more westerly, it may push some of that inland along the lakeshore. We could see a wet flake mix in tomorrow morning with a couple of light rain showers early, but probably some late day clearing for the second part of tomorrow. And then as we go Tuesday night into Wednesday may be our better day because we're talking about some sunshine and our temperatures should crack the 50-degree mark as well. So we're in the mid-40s today, maybe a drop or flake out there. Some morning light rain showers will be possible tomorrow, especially west of US 131. Maybe a wet snowflake mixing in, mid-40s there. 52 with some sunshine on Wednesday. Thursday, 47 degrees. There's that chance of some PM showers. Again, we'll keep our eyes tuned to that and see if anything changes there. 47 on Friday, and then Saturday is Halloween. We're in the low to mid-50s with some sunshine, dry conditions. That's nice because the last 4 out of the last 5 years, we've had rain. So hopefully we keep it dry this time around. Don't forget, Saturday night into Sunday, turn the clock back 1 hour. We fall back and we go back to Eastern Standard Time. That means instead of getting dark at 6:45, it's going to get dark at 5:45. So get ready for that. Savannah?